We are at the Sahara Hotel and Casino, and we are going to show you a room tour. Very nice. Hello. We have some lovely art on the wall. Hello. We've got our room key, and we are going to do room 32011 on floor 20. Let's go check it out. 32011. And there we go. We'll take you inside the bathroom. Very white and black and classy. I like this. It's a gorgeous room. Tile. Shower. Nice rain faucet, fall, whatever that thing is. And then, got a lovely mirror. Hello. Got a little fresh face cloth. And then, look at that sink. Very nice sink. Cool little accents. And you got a place to put your goodies down there. Give you the full view. Here is the closet ironing board area. So they kind of have, you know, the walls, everything has got like some kind of wallpaper or something, but it looks really nice. Very classy room. I'm not sure what used to be in there. It looks like a little mini bar. Probably don't have that due to what's going on. It's very nice. And the walls, they have, you know, the Sahara wallpaper. Outside the bathroom, they have a huge mirror there, so you can check yourself before you head out for the strip and the club, like TVP and Ace of Vegas. We've got this lovely large screen TV, cool lamp, and a desk area. Funky desk area. I don't know what's up with that. Do you see how that's like kind of sticking out there? Yeah. So I'll give you another view of that. Kind of a strange setup for the desk, and that doesn't move. It's just kind of like stuck there. So, lovely room though. And it's got the bed, a beautiful view of the Strat, 2 bedside tables, and then a big, huge, giant mirror there. We have a lovely big couch here, and on the other side, a big, huge mirror. And then over here, we got a nice little chair. So lots of seating, lots of area space. And let me show you the view. And look at this cool thing up here. I thought it was pretty neat. Very nice cushy bed though. Oh yeah. But let's show you the view outside. I'm going to turn off the lights. Here's your view. Totally gorgeous out there. I'm going to get it close up. Got a gorgeous view of the Las Vegas Valley. North Las Vegas. Strat. Window's kind of dirty. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to get that down. There we go. Beautiful. This is the Sahara. That is one heck of a view. Heck yeah. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Gorgeous. So this has been the Sahara room 32011. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever stayed at the Sahara before? Or at the Stratosphere? I really want to know. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time. Peace out from Las Vegas.